the RAGE6P.
Roll up to the spot, let the speakers. Big Jeff audio, yeah, we amps on.
The RAGE6P. So the 6P, the Rage is the upper level. These are the ones that you really want to get loud and clarity. But these here just have an incredible full range sound, and you can see going up to 13,000 hertz. Oh man, crazy. Now, what would set this off even better is a set of tweeters, so you would have mid-bass, mid-range, vocals, and highs, and get the full range of sound. Even though this is playing all those frequencies, this is made to play those vocals at 500 range. So, speaker, perfect. There you go. There are the Rage, actually the RAGE6P and the Rage CDR4 compression driver. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing V2 Audio USA.